Welcome to the Managing Normalization Rules video. In this video, you will look at the process to create normalization rules in the Summer 15 release of BMC Remedy Force. To understand how the data normalization feature works, see the overview of normalization video. Normalization rules enable system administrators to standardize CIs and assets in BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0 and records in the models object. The normalization process uses two types of rules to standardize the data. Normalization rules, which contain a set of criteria that defines a normalized value and mapped aliases, and ignored value rules, which define values that the normalization process must skip. Remember that the ability to create ignored value rules is available only in BMC Remedy Force Summer 15 Patch 1 and later. To create a normalization rule, click the Remedy Force Administration tab. Click the Configure CMDB 2.0 tile and then click the Normalization Rules subtile. The list view displays all active rules. The rule type column indicates whether each rule is a normalization rule or an ignored value rule. To view inactive rules, click the Views icon, select the Inactive Items checkbox and click Apply. As you can see, the Views menu also lets you configure the type of rules displayed in the list view, only normalization rules, only ignored value rules, or both the type of rules, which is a default setting. You can also configure how frequently the list view must be refreshed. To more easily scan a large number of rules, you can group them based on any column. Let's group the rules by the field name column. To create a normalization rule, click the New icon. On the New Rule page, select an object. To normalize values for a field or attribute in BMC Remedy Force CMDB 2.0, select Base Element. The field name list displays all supported fields in the selected object. Note that you cannot create rules for non-unique fields of the types text, text area, and numeric. The model name field in the model object is the only non-unique field for which you can create rules. One other thing that you must note is that the ability to create rules for the model field in the base element object is available only in BMC Remedy Force Summer 15 Patch 1 and later. Let's create a normalization rule on the manufacturer name field in the base element object. From the rule type list, select Normalization Rule. In the normalized value box, enter BMC. This is a value that we want to use consistently across all CIs and assets. In the Map Aliases section, select the appropriate operator, in this case the equal to sign, enter an alias and click Add. You can add multiple aliases based on your requirements. To avoid conflicting results, ensure that the aliases are not defined as normalized values or ignored values in other rules. For the selected field, if you want the normalization process to identify and list records that do not match any normalization rules, keep the Generate Exceptions to Rules for selected object and field checkbox selected. This setting applies to all rules that are created for a field and not just to a specific rule. Notice that by default the inactive checkbox is selected. To start normalizing CIs and assets on this rule, clear the inactive checkbox and save the normalization rule. The rule that you just created is displayed in the Available Rules section. This section displays all rules that have been created for the selected field and object. During the normalization process, if a field value in a record qualifies for two or more normalization rules that are defined for that field, only one of the rules is applied. Let's now create an ignored value rule. Let's create an ignored value rule on the model name field in the model object. From the rule type list, select Ignored Value Rule. Note that if you're creating an ignored value rule for the model name field of the model object, you cannot type a value in the ignored value field. You must select a normalized value from an existing list of models. This behavior is also seen when you create a normalization rule for these fields. From the window that opens, select Laptop 800. Notice that the Generate Exceptions to Rules for Selected Object and Field checkbox is not shown when you are creating an ignored value rule. Again, the inactive checkbox is selected by default. To ignore this value during the normalization process, clear the checkbox and then click Save. If a rule is no longer valid, you can choose to permanently delete that rule. Alternatively, you can inactivate the rule. Inactive rules are no longer considered for normalization and are not listed by default in the list view. For more information about managing normalization rules, see docs.bmc.com. We hope this video has helped you familiarize yourself with the procedure for creating normalization and ignored value rules in the Summer 15 release of BMC Remedy Force. Thank you for watching.